for production, for introducing me, cameraman aka Hyde. And if Nick is not in this place, that means I'm not there.
Hello, I'm Nikki.
Okay? Wait lang, may sasabihin ako kay Nicky. Nicky. Bakit ako si Tita Jaya?
Ha?
Bakit ako si Tita Jaya? Pakita ko! Okay, then. Oh, paano niya alam? Sakit. Okay, so this is Nicky's tablet where Nicky is recording apparently, and Nicky is using the camera's tablet or my tablet. So that's for introduction. Bye.